é a fumaça da Amazônia. So this is the smoke in the Amazon area. And right here is the Academy of Military Police. So as you can see, this is the Amazon. This is the air we breathe right here in Amazon. It's easier, you know, because it's pretty dry. It's just easier, you know, to burn, you know, the bush instead of getting them ready to make a composite or something like that. You know, I just thought, you know, it was on that piece of land right there, you know, because it's just in the end of my mother's place right here, right there. You know, so that's my mother's house, where there are all of those. See? And it's pretty hot. And this is the air that we breathe. So in this area is the Academy of Military Police. I guess everything's safe for a while.